you've been working on? Over.
Excellent. Over.
Now that you have the opportunity to see Earth as it is outside our atmosphere, do you believe there is another planet that can support our form of life on Earth? Over.
Excellent. Over.
During the 2.5 hours that astronauts exercise, what type of exercises are included in the integrated resistance and aerobic training study? Over.
Excellent. Over.
Are you living your dream and what's next? Over.
Gotta put more excitement in.
Very good. Over.
How do you know at what age you you wanted to be an astronaut? Over.
Still want to be an astronaut. Over.
With political tensions rising between countries on Earth, does this affect your ability to work with other countries aboard the International Space Station? Over.
Very good. Over.
In your experience, what was the scariest or most challenging thing to happen while in space? Over.
What did
Very
you
good.
do to
Over.
prepare yourself for being in space physically, emotionally, and mentally? Over.
Still love my teddy bear. Over.
What would you say to anyone interested in joining the military, flying, and going to space? Over.
Do it. Over.
What will the International Space Station, especially your expedition, do to prepare for the commercial crew program? Over.
Very good. Over.
On a scale of 1 through 5, how would you rate your job? 1 being the least stressful and most fun, and 5 being the most stressful and least fun. Over.
Pure boredom punctuated by absolute terror. Over.
What is the future for the International Space Station and human spaceflight in general? Over.
That's a question you need to ask Frank. Over.
What are some challenges you experienced because of prolonged spaceflight? Over.
Well, I'm bald and my hair still isn't growing. Over.
I won't comment on that one.
You go through so much training for your journey. Is there one thing you were not prepared for? If so, what? Over.
Very good. Over.
What is your daily work schedule like, and how many hours of sleep do you get? Over.
Excitement, Jaylen.
Very good. Over.
What are the pros and cons of being an astronaut? Over.
Very good. Over.
What kind of training did you do before you were chosen for this ISS expedition? Over.